So, excited tayong lahat for Busan. I get it. Dahil ako naman ay excited na excited din. Pero, para sa mga solo travelers dyan, this coming June, papunta ng Busan, who are you actually going with sa Busan? Like real talk, but I feel like maraming armies ang hindi pa na-realize how overwhelming ang concert in Festa Week can be. Lalo na for a solo army traveler or to make it much worse, first solo international travel. Because believe me guys, I've done that already and sobrang stressful. And I cannot stress that enough. And I'm sure nakaka-relate dyan yung mga solo din na nag-travel during Festa Week and concert season na sobrang nakaka-haggard mag-isa guys. Kasi imaginein mo to ha. First time mo sa South Korea, paglapag pa lang ng eroplano, hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Sobrang daming tao, ang haba lahat ng queue, and then pagod ka, jet lag ka, and then pagdating mo pa doon, hindi mo alam kung even saan ka kakain, saan ba masarap, saan ba mura or affordable, na sulit yung pinaghirapan mong money, saan ba magandang pumunta, paano ba pumunta doon, and paano ba mag-commute, paano ko sasakay, paano ko papara ng taxi, and the list goes on and on. Okay? Eh, pag manonood ka pa ng concert, anong oras ka dapat nandun? Saan ka magsisimula? Paano ka pupunta? Paano ka papasok? Saan ka pupwesto sa seat mo? And after concert, mag-isa ka ulit. And same scenario uli yun, na mamomroblema ka sa lahat. And if you figure out mo lahat hanggang sa naubos na yung oras mo. And honestly, that's why I think na My Companion Tour is very popular right now. Kasi hindi lang siya parang generic tour na ino-offer ng mga travel agencies na nakikita nyo online and sa social media na nagkalat ngayon. It's more of like literally having people with you during one of those moments na ng fangirl life mo. So, meron kang someone. Like, imagine this. May mga kasama ka na co-armies who can relate to your fangirling na pupunta ng concert, pipila sa mga merch and army zone, kasabay mo na papasok ng concert hall, kasabay mo na a-attend ng festa, kakain kayo together, magsasamgyup kayo together, magsasoju kayo together, maghahanap kayo ng mga BTS spots together, and merong magpipicture sa'yo na hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng tripod and angguluhan yung tripod mo. Dahil for sure, kung naka-tripod ka, mag-uulit-ulit ka ng shot dahil hindi makuha yung tamang angle ng tripod. Correct? And most especially, magpapanik together. Dahil hindi naman maiiwasan yon na magpapanik together. But ang kinaganda doon, you don't panic alone. Marami kayo and kasama nyo ko if ever. And most of my joiners dito sa companion tour na yon is talagang solo armies. So all 6 of them are solo armies. Half of them is first time traveling internationally. So makaka-relate sa inyo if first time din kayo or kung solo traveler din kayo. So parang ang age din nito is ranging from 50s to 40s, 30s up to 20s. So kahit anong edad ka pa, I'm sure meron kang magiging instant army friends sa group namin. And honestly, I think this is something that people underestimate na concert lang naman and then after concert uuwi naman na.